On a warm summer evening, Emma decided to take a stroll along the beach, hoping to clear her mind. The soft, golden sand felt cool under her feet as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. As she walked, she noticed a man sitting alone, playing a melancholic tune on his guitar. Intrigued, she approached him. His name was Jack, and he too found solace in the ocean's melody. They talked for hours, sharing stories and laughter, the waves providing a soothing backdrop. Emma shared how she was struggling with the recent loss of her grandmother, while Jack revealed his own heartbreak of a love lost. They found comfort in each other's company, the connection between them growing stronger with each passing moment. By the time the stars twinkled above, they felt like old friends. Emma and Jack promised to meet again, knowing that this serendipitous encounter was the start of something special. That evening, their hearts were light, filled with the magic of a beach walk to remember. As Emma walked away, she glanced back and saw Jack waving, the moonlight catching his smile. It was then she realized that sometimes the most unexpected meetings can bring the greatest joy.